Hello learners, on behalf of Indira Gandhi National Open University, we welcome you for this introductory video lecture session on the course Management of Power Distribution. This course we will be launching through SWAYAM platform. Myself, Professor Subhashish Maji, coordinator for this course. Power distribution utilities in India are faced with many challenges today. Improving the quality and reliability of supply, providing it at affordable cost to the consumer, and at the same time ensuring the profitability of the enterprise are some of their major concerns. Although power generation and transmission systems have seen considerable technical development and capital investment since independence, the distribution systems have suffered from many maladies such as unbalanced load flow, poor voltage regulation, high level of technical and commercial losses, etc. They are characterized by poor operating efficiencies leading to cynical customer perception. As the power distribution reforms have got underway, power utilities are realizing the necessity of increasing revenues, improving their performance as well as customer service. An acute need is being felt for managing the sector in a manner so that a consistent and long-lasting solution can be provided. The overarching goal of the management strategies has to be to strengthen the power distribution network with minimum losses in the long run. Improving the performance of power distribution systems to meet the required targets is not only a matter of selecting the most cost-effective technologies and operating practices. It is also a matter of managing the workplace finances, materials, and the projects on a turnkey basis. There is now a growing awareness that the reforms in the power distribution sector be aided by modern management approaches and will not be a more continuation of the earlier approaches. No doubt, the vast experience of the people working in power utilities will also provide the required inputs in the managerial process. This course on management of power distribution has been designed to sensitize you. This course on management of power distribution has been designed to sensitize you to the modern management methods and approaches relevant to the power distribution sector. It presents various aspects of management essential for a manager to understand the working of the sector and function effectively in a power distribution utility. In this course, the following broad areas will be covered. There are 5 modules. The module 1, that is Principles of Management. Principles of Management presents different aspects of management. It focuses on the functions of a manager, the importance of customer relationship management, promoting customer involvement and participation in meeting the challenges before the power distribution sector and the management of conflict. Module 2, that is change management. Change management in power distribution, wherein we discuss the concept and process of change, the importance of people in change management, certain emerging developments and conditions required for effecting the change smoothly. Module 3, that is project development and implementation. Here we discuss how to develop and implement projects on a turnkey basis. Module 4, that is communication skills and motivation. In communication skills and motivation, we discuss the importance of communications and skills required for communication and certain issues and aspects related to motivation. The last module, that is module 5, financial management, Finally, in financial management, we present the basic accounting principles, preparation of financial statements, elements of financial analysis, and cost management. This course is of 4 credits and duration of 12 weeks. While studying the course, we should constantly try to apply the principles enunciated here to your own context. We hope that studying this course will empower you as a manager and you will be able to perform your job in a better way. We hope that the knowledge, information, and experience given in the course will equip you with managerial capabilities that enable you to carry out your responsibilities better. Our best wishes are with you. Thank you very much.